Alright, the video that you're about to watch is actually a repeat of a video that we had you watch earlier this year. It was actually during the space unit, especially dealing with seasons. The learning target for seasons is actually found twice within our curriculum. The first time is in space, as I've already mentioned, and the second one is actually in weather, talking about why we have seasons and how that affects our weather. So you're going to be seeing on the following video, it's basically a replay of the video you watched early in October and maybe in early November, depending on your timing. But nonetheless, what you will find in the video is the worksheet is going to be the same, with the exception of you'll see on the video it says watch video E4.p2-26. And obviously you're not watching that video, you're watching this. But other than that, the information is the exact same, both pre-test and post-test information. So without any further ado, let's go back in history a little bit to see that video again explaining the cause for seasons. Diagram below showing the Earth revolving around the Sun. Again, rotation is when you're on your axis, revolution is when you are spinning around another object. Okay, to demonstrate the students' understanding of the seasons. So what you're seeing is somebody's diagram right here that was drawn on a test showing the reason for the seasons. So they showed where the sun would be located, they showed how Earth would revolve around the sun, they would show the tilt of the actual Earth and which season the Earth is in depending on its location when it's revolving around the sun. Along with the diagram, the same student was asked to explain the diagram and the reasons for the seasons. So you're asked not only to look at the diagram, you're also asked to read the explanation. And then when you are done with both, then you are asked two questions. The first of which is addressing what do you think is right or wrong with the student's diagram about the season, and then the second is what do you think is correct or incorrect about the student's explanation regarding the seasons. So you've got two questions to answer once you've done your evaluation, and when you're done with your evaluation you will give this to myself or give it to Mr. Fusak. If you have any questions, let us know. What you'll do, just like you did with the pretest, is you'll examine the student's diagram, the location of the sun, the way that the Earth revolves around the sun, the tilt of the Earth, and along with that, the seasons which are labeled in the locations in which Earth is placed on the diagram. Along with evaluating the diagram, you're asked to read the explanation that this student provided for their diagram. Once you have done your evaluation of both of those, you are asked two questions. The first of which is, what do you think is right or wrong with the student's diagram about the seasons above? And then, what do you think is correct or incorrect regarding the student's explanation of the seasons? So again, two questions just like the pre-test. And when you're done with the post-test, you'll give it to myself or give it to Mr. Fusak. Should you have any questions, simply let us know.